What if I told you that money problems and low energy could both be solved with just your fingers? In the next few minutes, I'll teach you two powerful hand mudras used for centuries. One to attract wealth and abundance, and one to boost your energy and immunity. Stay till the end for the exact daily routine to make them work. The first one is the Kubera Mudra, named after Lord Kubera. This mudra is known to attract wealth and abundance, improve focus and willpower, help to manifest financial goals, and reduce anxiety around money. Here's how to do it. Bring the tips of your thumb, index, and middle finger together. Fold the ring and little finger into your palm. Rest your hands on your knees, palms facing up. Close your eyes and take slow, deep breaths. Hold this for 5 to 15 minutes while visualizing your financial goals. Practice this while visualizing exactly what abundance looks like for you. A new home, a debt-free life, a successful business. The mudra works best when paired with clear intention. If you find this video helpful, please share it with someone who wants better health and prosperity. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple hand mudras and natural wellness tips. Now let's talk about the second mudra, for your health. The second one is the Prana Mudra, the mudra of life energy. It's known to boost energy and reduce fatigue, strengthen immunity, improve eyesight with regular practice, reduce stress, and promote better sleep, and activate the body's life force energy. Here's how to do it. Bring the tips of your ring finger and little finger to touch the tip of your thumb. Keep the index and middle fingers straight and relaxed. Rest your hands on your knees, palms facing upward. Breathe slowly and deeply through the nose. Hold this for 10 to 15 minutes. This mudra, especially powerful first thing in the morning, right after waking up, when your body is most receptive to fresh energy. Here's how to practice both daily. In the morning, for 10 to 15 minutes, practice the Prana Mudra right after waking up, on an empty stomach, facing the sunrise if possible, to energize your whole day. In the midday or evening, for 10 to 15 minutes, practice the Kubera Mudra during meditation or while visualizing your goals, ideally in a quiet space, away from distractions. Remember, consistency over intensity. Even 5 minutes daily, done consistently for 21 days, is more powerful than one long session. And pair each mudra with a simple affirmation, like, I am abundant and full of energy, while you hold it. Try this for the next 21 days, and notice the shift in your energy and mindset. If you found this valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more ancient wisdom made simple. See you in the next video.